took my Woodubend molding pieces and I laid them out on the mirror to figure out what type of design I want. Woodubend is really easy to use. It is wood moldings that actually bend, and all you have to do is heat them up with either a heat gun or a hair blower, and once they are warmed up, they actually bend, and you can curve them, you can mold them around rounded things. They'll just go where you want them to go. And the great thing about these is you can also resize them. You can cut them where you want to cut them. And one molding can do numerous projects because I have these moldings and I kind of cut them to size and I can use them on a different project, no problem. So here I am just laying out the top design, and I went ahead and I did that for the bottom and I did that for the sides as well. I used this beautiful rope trim on the sides of the mirror and along the bottom. One coil was enough to cover the sides and the bottom. Again, here I'm just heating it up so I can unravel it and measure the length I need for the sides and the length I need for the bottom. As you can see, it's easily cut with scissors. You could use a craft knife, you could use a utility knife or scissors, any of these work. And once it's heated, again, it's super pliable. You can bend it any way you want to bend it. I have to admit I'm kind of addicted to this Woodubend because I use it on quite a few of my projects. I have a full video on how to use the Woodubend, which I'll include in the cards above and also in the description down below. I'll also include the Woodubend site that you can buy the Woodubend on, and there are a ton of designs. It's really fun even to just pop in and go see what types of designs they do have.